Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and a little bit different video today. Tried a couple times to do our regular expressions with Beautiful Soup, but as I was going through, I was seeing that this number kept getting higher, and I kept getting very awesome questions. And probably my most favorite today, or I guess a day or so ago, was somebody who noticed a problem and they thought it was on their end. And then I think even at one point throughout this process, somebody else was even answering somebody else's question. So one, I'm extremely humbled by that. And then I think somebody else posted something that they had worked on, and they let me know that was what they created from watching my video, and it was just, again, very humbling. So I want to just tell you guys thank you. Wish everybody joining us from Free Code Camp. I looked, it was about 5 weeks ago, so we've gotten, oh, you guys always like these things. So let's see. In the past let's see, 28 days it's been, and what was that 478 subscribers. And in the past 3 months, it's almost half of my subscribers. That just absolutely blows me away. So I just want to welcome everybody here. Thank you for spending your time and your energy and asking these really good questions, challenging me, and pointing out gaps that I may have. I think that was one a year or so ago. Somebody pointed out that I went on vacation and I left a vital video. It got skipped over. So I just want to tell you guys thank you. It's extremely humbling. I am truly enjoying making this channel, but probably my favorite part is all the comments and on the live streams, all the interaction. So I just didn't want, because like I said, in the past 5 or 6 weeks I hit 3,000 and we're already at 860. So I just never want you guys to wonder, because I know there are huge channels out there, but it sure is humbling to have 3,000 and have it usually is about 200 people on the live streams. Some guys have been around a while, some have just joined us, but it is truly my pleasure doing this, and I love sharing and I love interacting, and I just want to tell you guys thank you, and just really can't wait to see where this goes. We'll pick back up next week. I know this was Friday, so I thought this might be a good end to the week. I even got a comment the other day that was quoting the 10,000 hours. So just very humbling that you guys are really caring, really paying attention, giving me some great feedback. Had been asked a while for having the dark background, doing that. That was even I think one of this the community post. Overwhelmingly yes. So I just love this community. We've done a tremendous job, and who knows where it will go. But just want to say thanks, appreciate your time, love your feedback, and we'll just keep going. So please drop any comments, questions, video requests down below, and make sure you know somebody who's trying to learn this. Go ahead and share this channel with them. I want to help them with their Python journey. So thanks as always, stay tuned, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye guys. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye guys.